Hello family, I hope that you have been well. Today I'm going to share with you my most requested recipe. I totally understand why. But before that, I want to tell you why this recipe also means so much to me. I was brought up in a very big family in Kenya. One of my favorite moments was when we will all gather into the kitchen while one of my cousins will be making chapati and just sit there and waiting for the chapatis to get ready. And while we were waiting for the chapatis to get ready, we will sit and share stories. This was like 10 or 15 of us in one place. Since we were so many as a family, when it came to chapati, portion control was very important. This meant that we were each supposed to have 2 chapatis. What you did with your chapatis was your business. Chapatis will usually be made in the evenings so that we could have something for breakfast. Well, this was the assumptions. However, most people didn't wait until morning so that they can have their chapatis. I can think of one of my uncles. Every chapati day, he doubted whether he would still be alive the following day. So, in order to avoid dying before he could eat his chapatis, he would always have his 2 chapatis just as soon as they were done cooking. Well, as for me, I normally used to have one of my chapatis that night, just in case I don't make it the next day. And I will also leave one chapati for the next day, just in case I make it in the morning. I didn't want to watch others eating their chapatis while I drank plain sorghum porridge. That is one of many memories I have of chapatis growing up. One of my other favorite memories as a child was when we would sit in the kitchen during the making of chapatis and we would play geography quizzes, and whoever won would get an extra chapati. Winning was very, very important. 3 chapatis turned you into a king or a queen. These were special moments in my family. Even up to this day, chapati still plays a very important role in our get-togethers as a family. I can't imagine a full-on family gathering without chapatis. I would like to believe this is the same in most East African families. You know you have arrived in East Africa when every meal you order in the restaurant somehow comes with a chapati. For those who may not know, chapati is this pan-fried and leavened bread eaten in almost every country in East Africa, especially in countries such as Burundi, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Kenya. Chapatis are a very big part of East African cuisine. We serve them as food carriers. In many cases, they are used as bases to support other dishes and add balance to every meal. This means they accompany stews, dips, sauces, soups, and other dishes, which means they are eaten on a daily basis. Please let's not confuse East African chapatis with Indian chapatis. East African chapatis are made with bread flour and they are coiled up and have oil in them. The purpose of the coil is to create layers within the chapati and to help them become lighter and flaky. As you pan fry them, you lightly brush the outer layer with little oil, giving it a crisp edge. These are few things which set it apart from Indian chapatis. I started making chapatis in Kenya because everyone makes chapati in Kenya. It is the main food and staple to this day. We were a very big family and we will make chapatis every Friday for Sabbath. I can't remember exactly who taught me, but I either watched my cousin or my mom make it. Learning just so happened because I've been watching everyone make it, and that's how life is in a big family. My childhood chapati moments have taught me that making food and sharing food with others not only creates memories, but also leads to healthy and happiness, and above all, unites us. I once read a quote which said that sharing food with other human beings, it's an intimate act that cannot be indulged in lightly. And that reminds me of what Hebrews 13 verse 16 says. And do not forget to do good and to share with others, for with such sacrifice, God is pleased. I hope that you find time to make this recipe and share with your loved ones. Also, please, if you are new here, comment, like and subscribe. What meal did you grow up on which carries a lot of memories for you? For me, definitely chapatis. Also, if you'd like me to share more meals which I grew up on, please let me know down below in the comment section. This is it for today. Looking forward to seeing you next Monday. Please continue to watch, subscribe and share. And don't forget to like. I love you all. I appreciate you. I will see you next Monday.